Today we're going to do a video having a look at a problem Ben has got on his Freelander 2. Ben's our photographer, and he's got the later facelift Freelander 2. And basically when the car's warm, he's been driving it for half an hour, if he gets in traffic and it's in drive, when he goes to pull away, the gear goes poof, it really thumps into gear. There's a bit on the forums about it, and we think it's auto neutral. When the gearbox is up to temperature, when you're not moving, it puts it into neutral. It might be a fuel saving thing, and then when you pull away, it sort of jumps from neutral to drive and you get this sort of thump into gear. But we're going to have a look if there's any faults stored. So we're using our IID tool. We're going to plug it into the ODB2 port and see what's going on. So the ODB2 port should be under here, shouldn't it? Yeah, there it is. Alright then. Okay, that's that in there. Unfortunately the lights are the other way up on this one. I can't see the lights working. So we'll open up the app on our phone. Go on there. Right, let's have a look. Right then, so connect to last tool. Tool found. It's gathering some info. Right, waiting for ignition on. Oh, yeah. That's it. Press ignition. Don't put your foot on the brake. Scanning the module. There you go. Freelander 2, 2013.
Do we think this might just be an issue with the later ones? We don't know. We haven't heard of it.
No, on the forums right now, wherever we go, so we can just click on that, can't we?
Yeah.
Available devices, confirm connection. Right, let's have a look. So let's have a look. Faults. Have a look what faults this got stored. Faults will be red. We're looking really for a gearbox fault, and seeing so body control, ventilation, engine and airbag. So it doesn't look like this. So we just have a look through.
Yeah.
Body control, interior motion sensor failure. Interior motion sensor failure.
That's to do with the alarm, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll clear that. Okay. Oh, that right. Interestingly, it's still got that fault, but let's have a look. Ventilation, right temperature, damper, motor mechanical failure. Okay, so we'll
go back to faults.
Yeah, rather than that. I4 engine, ambient air temperature circuit, general electrical failure, voltage above threshold. Okay, and then airbag fault. Lost communication with body control module.
That's not an unusual one. I think sometimes we get that pop up on the Land Rovers.
So there's nothing there showing any fault. So Ben's going to take it into the main dealer, and we'll see what the main dealer says and update on what they say.